Meron po ako isang ginawa na Almost Paradise edition
yes.
sila. Yes. So, yeah, nakapag-shoot din kami. Kaya ako
Before
din,
pandemic.
opo, before pandemic. So yun, sa Cebu kami nag-shoot pero with an international crew. Pati director, ang galing talaga kasi with their special effects, everything is done on set. So lahat po nakaayos when we get there. We shoot in a very controlled environment.
Pero di ba yung director ay si Direct Dan?
Nagkaroon po sila ng
Episode.
international na director, and also the assistant director is from US, from Hollywood po lahat sila. Even the writers, that's why pag maglilinya ka, it's kailangan talaga po, you have to follow the script. Hindi ka pwede magdagdag. Talagang isa-stop ka nila in the middle of your scene, and they're gonna be really telling you to follow the script. They're really strict.
But after that, na-try
After that, eto na, kumusta? Kasi Korea naman. So, iniisip ko mag-collab with a Thai actor, si Luke Ishikawa.
Yes.
So, I was with him.
Dun sa ramp.
I was with him nung rampa sa Rokid, sa AI glasses. Kasi yun nga. We're also promoting the Rokid AI glasses eh. So yun. The owner is my friend. So I really love those glasses. Promise pag na-try niyo. Kaya okay na ako mag-isa eh. Kasama ko si Rokid na kinakausap ko siya. Any language. Kinakausap ko siya. Kaya enjoy talaga ako.
Tsaka Japanese din si Luke.
Yes, he's Japanese-American. Though, dun lang he's doing very good in Thailand. So we kind of talked about doing a project together. And that would be great, di ba?
Yes.
Have you met him that night?
No, not yet.
Oh, yeah. He's really cool and he's Japanese. Kaya pag-uusapan natin puro anime. Yeah, so yun, I'm also wanna do a collaboration with him. So at least I get to do Korea, Thailand, sana Japanese din. I wanna do something na project with a Japanese actor. I love Takeru Sato. He's Rurouni Kenshin. He did the live action. And Sakaguchi Kentaro. Oh, yun, magaling din. Ayun po, marami.
Sailor Moon namin alam ko yun.
Sailor Moon! Magic Knight Ray Earth ko ninyo alam.
Mas maraming nakarelate.
Tuwing Sunday.
So, medyo nahalata ang age bracket.
Hindi, napanood namin sa YouTube.
Ayun.
Excuse me.